Welcome to our channel. God quotes us.
In this prayer for financial blessings, we ask God for guidance on how to use our resources wisely, the courage to take financial risks when necessary, and the blessings of abundance and prosperity. May these prayers bring you closer to your financial goals and help you find the stability and security you are seeking while maintaining your faith. Dear God, I thank you for the abundance of blessings you have provided in my life. I ask for your continued guidance and provision as I manage my finances. Please give me the wisdom to make good financial decisions, and help me to be a good steward of the resources you have entrusted to me. I pray that you would bless my income and provide for my needs, so that I may be able to generously give to others and support the work of your kingdom. I come before you today to ask for a financial blessing to improve my life. My faith keeps me strong, and I know you will provide for me and the people I love. I do not seek a large sum of money. I do not trouble you for unneeded comforts or luxury. I only ask for enough money to relieve my financial woes and ease this stress. Give me the means to do your work and spread your love. I have so much to give, if only I were allowed the chance. In your name I pray, Amen. Type Amen to claim it.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. God quotes us.